Hello everyone, welcome to my channel which is CGXin. So today we'll be discussing about how you can set up passwordless SSH across your source node and the target node. So many of you have thought about if you can set up a passwordless SSH from your source node to the target node, but how we can do it. So we will be discussing about the same, and let's jump to the screen. So here we have worker node 1 and worker node 2, and from worker node 1 if I try to, and you can use RSA or DSA depending upon your need, and just press enter. If you want to enter a passphrase also you can enter it, but for this time I'm just mentioning it as blank. So I have generated a key, so let's try, and the name of the key and the worker node on which you want to perform the passwordless SSH. So that is worker node 2. Okay, so it's asking me for the password. Yeah, so here if we go on worker node 2, you will see if I open this file, here is the key, here is the public key which is transferred from worker node 1 to worker node 2. So if I check that the .ssh directory which is on the target side should have the required or the correct privileges, and the ownership is correct, and the permissions for that directory should be correct. Otherwise, let's have an LD. So here the directory is being owned by Chetan as a user, and it is owned by a group which is Chetan, and the permissions are being set as 700. Okay, and if I check the files permission using the command and username, but right now this command will not work as a normal user because it would require root privileges. So as a root user, so this gives you the information about whether my password is logged or not, or all that information that you can check it from this way also. So these are the few things that you have to keep in mind while setting up the passwordless SSH from the source to the target node. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel which is CGXin. And if you have any questions, please comment it out. Thank you.